Alright, so I just got my Pop On Veneers. Absolutely love them. I was thinking of spending money on actual veneers, and those are thousands of dollars, as you guys know. So, and decided on getting these for way, way cheaper, way less money, a lot more affordable, and they look just as good, if not better, than actual veneers. And these are my actual teeth right here. And these are the actual veneers. They snap right in. These are the top. So you can see the difference already. See that? And these are the top. There you have it. Pop On Veneers, the best veneers out there, man. You want to get some nice teeth, straight teeth? Then get on Pop On Veneers.